A lot of people ask me, when is the best time to be buying certain cryptocurrencies and what is the best trade to make? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about why you should be buying cryptocurrency right now and what does that mean for the future. So if you like that sort of content, then be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also turn that notification bell on so you know whenever we upload a new video, you get notified by that. And with that being said, let's dive into this one. Slightly different content to what I normally do, but I do think this is important. And again, it's been something a lot of people have asked me for. Now, we saw BitBoy Crypto really make a bit of a beeline for the stand of cryptocurrency, going against the big government organizations about trying to bring crypto down. And again, this is why whenever we see bear markets and we see real challenge to crypto as a whole, it is a real opportunity to buy. Now, remember, none of this is financial advice and it should always be taken with a pinch of salt, and you should always do your own research and invest only what you are prepared to lose. But the point being said here, we currently sit at $922 billion market cap for the entire global cryptocurrency. Now, we were at one point well over 3 trillion, touching nearly 4 trillion, and we have been in a recession. We have seen significant decline in the global crypto market, but what we do then see is real opportunities to buy. Let's take Bitcoin as an example, and if we look over the past year, we see we topped out at $69,000 and we are all the way down here at 19,000, so a third of what our all-time high in the last year would be. And again, if you look at anything like cycling cryptocurrencies, you'll see that there is, and everything does run in cycles. If we were to go to all time, we can see these significant peaks and these significant troughs that relate to Bitcoin cycles. And again, even in the very early stages, 2017, when we saw a 14k Bitcoin, we did correct all the way back down to a 3,700. So again, it is important to reference that we currently are at the bottom end of where we have been for a significant length of time. That gives us an opportunity to pick up some cheap Bitcoin. Again, you can run this through many a different project, many a different cryptocurrency, and see a very similar thing. You can see Ethereum does exactly the same. We topped out back in 2018 at just over just under $1,300, and then corrected down to 385, and subsequently then corrected back to 122. And I remember in bull runs, people think, man, why didn't I buy into that cryptocurrency back in those days? Again, we run up all the way to 3,900, then saw a significant drop back to 1,800. So again, we are back down now, I would say, as low as we are going to go, given we've been around that kind of 1,000 to 1,300 in Ethereum. Now, a couple of projects I am really keeping my eye on. If you're a follower of this channel, you will know that we've talked about these in a number of times. So Polygon Matic, I think, is a really great purchase, and at 83 cents as a layer 2 blockchain right now, with lots of adaptations that they've brought to it, it feels like an incredibly great purchase to get. It was dubbed, or was supporting Ethereum in terms of being able to handle more transactions and be quicker in terms of the network. But Polygon Matic at 83 cents feels like an incredibly cheap buy given the potential that this one has. And you can see we're currently on a nice uptrend on Polygon Matic. And again, this will move as the markets move. We can see RSI is trending really nicely, and money flow is good going into Polygon Matic. It has tested the dollar a number of times, but never managed to stay above it. But it is one of those projects that I think will be very, very good come the bull run. And the other one, again, for people who watch my channel, we bought live on one of my live streams, XRP, for me, is going to be one of the big hits for next year. We know that they're currently in that battle with the SEC, and we look, or hope to look, like we think XRP could be walking away with a victory on that, which not only is a victory for XRP, but a significant victory for cryptocurrency. XRP could be a real opportunity. But again, if you come out into the macro, you can see where we've been in some of these top ends, 55 cents at one point back in many, many days. We can go back into the weekly chart. You can see that we have topped out as significantly high as over $2. And this is the important bit when we talk about cryptocurrencies and we talk about these bear markets. These are the opportunities when we should be buying. When the market is scared, you should be buying. When the market is bullish, is your opportunity to sell and take profits. And I always advocate that. And if you are really keen on trading cryptocurrency, then why don't you get yourself over to BingX? BingX is a great cryptocurrency trading platform where you can grab yourself $20 in free just for signing up with my link in the description. Also, they're giving away to you guys $4,000 worth of bonuses just for signing up with BingX. They have a number of trading platforms in terms of spot trading, derivatives, group trading, and many, many more. They have a great academy that you can check it out. And again, use the link in the description. You're going to get yourself $20 just for using that, with a potential $4,000 in bonuses just for you guys. So thank you to BingX for sponsoring this video. Now, what are the experts saying when it comes to cryptocurrency? So you see, the crypto experts say it's time to accumulate Ethereum, Bitcoin, and these two crypto coins. And again, for those of you that follow the channel, you will know we've talked about these. So the crypto market hit one of the lowest prices this year in October. Most of the coins have postponed a price last seen more than a year ago this week, and it appears like if the market does not stabilize this weekend, might see a downtick. But crypto experts say it's the perfect time to buy Ethereum, Bitcoin, Centesex, and BitGet. Now, again, I know Max and a few others will be watching that were all about Bryce, but it says crypto experts are always advising investors to buy the dip. And again, this is important. It's buying the dip on solid projects. What you don't want to be doing is buying the dip on Ask Crack Inu, because it's probably not going to go back up. But it says most of the coins, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, BitGet, and Centex, are currently trading at what crypto experts say might be the lowest price. The exciting development around these coins makes them an ideal investment despite posting a decline today. Here is the more about these coins and why they make a good buy. Again, I'm not going to go into it, but the point here is, even Ethereum as an example, we have seen a significant decline back down to these 13-14 level. We did break 4,000, nearly $5,000. And again, when this market comes, this bull market comes, we are going to see a significant move once again in cryptocurrency. The big question though is, when do we see that move in the market? When does it change? When do we start to see it? But don't be that person that when we're sat at a 5, 6, 7, 8,000 Ethereum thinking, man, I wish I'd bought that. Again, remember, none of this is financial advice. You've got to do your own research. But if you could afford to get into some of these cryptocurrency projects, I would highly suggest doing your own research, understanding if they are the right investment for your portfolio, and certainly giving it some thoughts, because in bear markets, these are the times in which you should accumulate. And even when you think about coins like Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu, and some of those more volatile ones, DCA to some of these projects is not a bad idea. I've been DCAing into Terra Luna Classic since May the 15th when it collapsed. And again, one of those I do believe long term will bring me some really nice rewards. The fact I DCA'd in means that I'm not spending a stupid amount to get a good bag. It's important to really think about your investments and do it in the right way. But remember, bear markets, they do not last forever. But let me know in the comments down below, what did you think of this video? Do you like this kind of video? We'll do a bit more content like this on the channel, but be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video if you did, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.